Hi, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is your Gemini Year Tarot Reader. So, air sign, alamin natin kung ano ang iyong love reading. Air sign, ano ang iyong love life? Ano ang iyong energy? Air sign, just a reminder, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Air sign, give me your energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air sign. Give me your main energy, air sign. Okay. You have here self-indulgence, focus on self, self-worth, time to heal, shadow work, self-appreciation, self-love. There's a clock. Need time, takes time. Time to heal. There's a progress in your life, in your relationship. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang connection ng iyong main energy. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Give me your main energy, connection of your energy. Air sign. 10 of Pentacles. The Magician. Ace of Cups. Air sign, tingin ko, you're trying to manifest a long-term commitment with someone. Parang so much love ang nafe-feel mo for this person. You have Ace of Cups. You want to have a happy life, successful life, happy family with this person. You're manifesting it and you're trying to pray for it. Parang pinapangarap mo na makasama siya habang buhay. Parang yun ang mga plano mo sa inyong relationship. You have a water sign involved. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, an earth sign with pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yun, minamanifest mo na sana maging kayo for a long-term commitment. Nabi-visualize mo na siya yung forever mo. So, tingnan natin, air sign. 9 of Wands. 7 of Cups. And Queen of Swords. So, there's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius with Wands. An air sign, Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Takes time, di ba? Time to heal. Tingin ko minsan may mga sitwasyon na nangyayari sa inyong relationship na nagda-doubt ka. Or yung person mo ang nagda-doubt. Tinatry nyo na ma-survive, makayanan, kung ano yung pagsubok na pinagdadaanan nyo. Diba? Progress, need time, takes time. You're trying to consider ang feelings ng taong mahal mo. Also, you're trying to manifest na kahit anong pagdaanan yung problema, sana kayo pa rin yung magkatuluyan. Diba? You're wishing for that. You're rooting for that. Ang dami mong pangarap sa buhay, pero ito yung main priority mo. Ito yung gusto mong mangyari. Self-indulgence. Ito yung magpapasaya sa'yo, magbibigay ng sobrang kaligayahan pag nagkatotoo yung pangarap mo. Kasi isa ito sa mga pinapangarap mo. Even though na mag-struggle ka along the way, even though may mga challenges, trial, pagsubok kayo ng pagdadaanan, alam ko malalagpasan nyo. Queen of Swords, kaya nyo. Kaya nyo malagpasan. kaya nyo makasurvive sa mga problemang pinagdadaanan nyo. Doon natin masusubok ang tatag or foundation ng inyong relasyon. You have 10 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles, and the Fool. Air sign, siguro, at the end of the tunnel, yung journey mo, you will have what you deserve. Just give and take, di ba? For you to be able to have a progress sa relationship nyo, matapos na yung mga challenges na yan, na makayanan nyo, makasurvive kayo, na magkasama pa rin kayo, na kayo pa rin at the end. Diba? Give and take. Kailangan sa relationship, relax lang like the Fool. Walang iniindang problema. Kasi pag may minamanifest ka na sana kayong magkatuluyan, dapat positive energy lang ang i-attract mo. Avoid those negative energies na hindi nakakaganda sa relationship nyo. Kasi baka isa sa inyo ang bumitaw at mag-give up. So you have to consider give and take sa inyong relationship. Wag lang take ng take, like focus on self, wag lang sarilang isipin. Kung gusto mo magkatotoo yung pangarap mo, na makasama yung taong mahal mo, na siya yung makatuluyan mo, you have to consider your person's feeling. Kung ano yung mapapasaya sa kanya. Kasi mahal mo siya eh. Diba? Wag lang sarili mo ang isipin. Kailangan i-consider mo rin yung feelings ng taong mahal mo. Tingnan natin ang masasabi ng angel guide. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Give me some guidance, angel guide. Give me some guidance for air sign. Give me some guidance, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, for air sign. Angel guide, give me some guidance. Air sign meditation brings answer. Diba? If you just pray, you're manifesting it, it will bring you answer. Listen to your intuition. Ano ba yung nafe-feel ng gut feeling mo? Ano ba yung nararamdaman mo sa inyong relationship? And let go. Maybe there is something na kailangan yung i-let go. Alamin natin. Tingnan natin sa oracles. Ano ang mabibigay na mensahe para sa inyong energy, para sa inyong relationship? Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Give me some advice for air sign. Give me some message for air sign. Okay. Air sign, it's time to take action. Diba kung may pangarap ka, may minamanifest ka, it's time to take action. Be bold and make the first move. Ikaw na mag-start para magkatotoo yung mga pangarap mo. And a time to give rather than take. Gaya na sabi ko, it's time to give rather than take. Huwag lang sarili ang isipin sa inyong relationship. Dalawa kayo. Dapat dalawang feelings ang kinukonsider nyo. Ang feelings mo at ang feelings ng kapartner mo. Diba? Let go of that self-focus sa sarili lang. Hindi ko ni-consider ang feelings ng iba. Try to consider ang nararamdaman ng taong mahal mo para ma-appreciate mo rin siya. Ma-consider mo rin ang feelings niya. Kung yung mga hindi kayo napagkakasunduan, napagkakaunawaan, a time to give rather than take. Give and take. Diba? Huwag mo nang sayangin ang oras at panahon nyo Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nyo sa relationship nyo, ma-overcome nyo yan kung matatag ang pundasyon ng inyong relasyon. So, kung meron man na makasarili or pagiging ma-pride sa inyong relationship, kailangan i-let go na yung negative energy. Let it go. Consider the feelings ng taong mahal mo. So, thank you, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, air sign.